This is Smart English Technology.
How to Use Video Speaking Practice by Professor Hill. Hello, I am Professor Hill, the high-tech English teacher. I'm from a city in the USA called Las Vegas, Nevada. I spent 40 years as a business owner and 30 years as a fully licensed and certified business consultant. 12 years ago, I sold those companies and retired in Mexico. I began teaching English to hotel workers as a community service in Cabo San Lucas, Baja California Sur. It became so important that it became a business to help people who could not afford to learn English to be able to learn it correctly for free using internet-based tools in their free time. As a result, this channel was recently created to begin providing this kind of professional service directly to the public online. In this video, we are going to outline the video speaking practice instructions. Thank you for watching, and if you get value from this and would like more free practice videos, please subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video. More information is in the notes below. Thank you for coming. Introduction to Pronunciation-Focused Speaking Practice with Professor Hill. The most effective way to learn any language is to practice speaking by reading the vocabulary elements as you are practicing speaking them. There is some specific information the brain automatically uses to determine what is correct in a specific sequence. The 5 essential vocabulary elements in sequence are 1. The letters, 2. The syllables. Most English syllables cannot be blended as done in other languages. 3. The word. 4. The phrase. And 5. The sentence. How to practice speaking. Read, listen, and repeat. Everything. Read, listen, and repeat to spell each letter in the spelling exercise. Speak each syllable in the word only exercise. Practice each sentence in the common phrases exercise. Pause and study. Word forms and dictionary information. Spelling exercises need only be done the first time and do not need to be repeated. Common phrases should be repeated at least 3 times. It is okay to skip the spelling when returning to practice and study the common phrases. To continue developing your vocabulary accurately and preserving your pronunciation fluency, practice using 3 of these videos per day, 3 to 5 days per week. To increase your time to 30 minutes per day, do it in 2 15-minute or 3 10-minute sessions per day.
The end. For more information, hightechenglishteacher@gmail.com. For more speaking practice videos, Check out the YouTube channel Professor Hill.